Hey, how's it going?
Betty.
There's a particular kind of magic that happens on Beer Street. It doesn't care who you are or where you're from. A tourist sits next to a local. They're both paying the same price for the same cold beer. Plastic chairs, neon and lanterns turn the street into something that feels almost unreal. Bars and restaurants, coffee shops, all serving the same simple transaction. Beer and drinks for cheap, a place to sit, people to sit with. The street wakes up as the night progresses. Then the police arrive. Everything shifts. Tables and chairs disappear inside. The street clears. Then just as quickly, it all comes back. The chairs return. The beer continues to flow. This dance happens over and over. By the time the night is fully dark, Beer Street has become something alive and resilient.
That's right, so for a lot of you, coming to a new city, new country, you're gonna wanna know a place to go hang out, have a couple drinks, meet some new friends, other travelers, and have some conversation. And here in Hanoi, this is the pub street. I'm gonna have the link in the description below, so if you wanna come to this end, this is the north end of the pub street here. I'll put the name of the street in below. It's not actually called a pub street. But yeah, this is gonna be a place where you can come, have some drinks, have some food, meet some fellow travelers that are in the city. It's kind of the go-to spot. So it's in the old quarter. You're gonna most likely be here anyway. That's where a lot of people come hang out. And I just thought I'd do a raw walk here, show you what it's like in the evening. It is, what time is it now? Just 10 after 6. So a lot of people are starting to show up now. We got here about an hour ago. But yeah, definitely getting busier. So we came here last night. Again, in our first impressions of Hanoi video, you're gonna find that. So yeah, we ended up sitting down at a place down here. I'll show you where it is in this video as well. But yeah, it's really cool. So out on the north end, this is where it starts. So there's a few different places here you can go and hang out as well, but this is where you really want to be. So let's go for a walk here. The first part is all walking, other than a few scooters like those guys. But other than that, yeah, it's full on walking street. So until you get to the first intersection, which you'll see. But yeah, a lot of different places here. Tom's Bar. This guy's gonna run the place soon. And yeah, all these tables set up here, so you can like sit here, people watch, scooter watch.
One beer.
No. Why one? Why do you limit to one? I already have some down here. No. I already have some down here. No, he's chasing me down. No, it's okay.
Wine?
No, it's okay. But yeah, it's cool. Like all the different lanterns are decorated. This has like a bunch of cocktail mixing ingredients there. But yeah, this is like the main like walking bit where it's like nice and cozy. It's kind of cool down here. Oh no, come on. This place will be all lit up with the black lights at night. Oh no, it's okay. Come on. No. You can also get food here. So the places do have food, a lot of them as well. So not just drinks. Hello. You can buy some postcards and magnets at this place. We're sitting right here. There's Shayna. Good little spot right on the corner here. I'm gonna quickly go down here. Just down this back alley, I noticed there was like a little bar or something set up here. I don't know if it's a juice bar or something. There's a barber here. They got some drinks down here. Just wanted to show you like down these little side bits. So you got a little cart here and stuff you can set up there. Grandma's gonna run me over. But yeah, there's all these tables right here that you can sit at. Photo booth that's not open, probably in the daytime. But again, like down these little side areas, there's tables. Hey, how's it going?
Betty.
What's this? Dragon Ball Z little bar there. It's not open yet, but all of snacks and drinks. So yeah, again, more food options and stuff like that. Got other vloggers. little like kind of bars and stuff like that. This one's all decorated for Christmas. Hello, Xin Chao. Again, yeah, a lot of bars down this little walking bit. So you'll see as we come up here, this intersection, there's a lot of traffic. How are you? No, it's okay. But yeah, you got the little tables with the little plastic little plastic chairs set up. So this is the main intersection, so be careful when you're walking. The lady selling fruit. Again, obviously go down here on the weekends. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, just down here, like one street down, there's a night market. We're actually gonna go there tomorrow night and make a video to show you guys that. Oh, it's okay. So yeah, this is the area where traffic still goes down. No, it's okay. But look at the menu. They got so much food. You guys can get like all sorts of things. We sat here last night. How are you? Good? Xin Chao. But yeah, we sat here and then the police truck came down. I'll put a little clip in right now for you guys to see what that was like if you haven't watched the video yet. But so yeah, this is a little more open. There's traffic. You got spas. No, it's okay. Different spots you can buy some souvenirs, some clothing. Again, filming this on the new Action 6, the DJI Action 6, so kind of interested to see how it does in the low light. I mean, there's quite a bit of light right now from all the signs and stuff, but still a small sensor. So yeah, more spa stuff. You got a tour group here. You can see, always tell by the little flags. Here's a little coffee shop here. But yeah, another intersection. Hello, Xin Chao. Ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao. Done you, done you, You gotta watch it across, just like anywhere. Motorbikes everywhere. So you got a little jewelry store here. Yeah, this goes down for quite a ways, so. Again, lots of shopping, lots of motorbikes. This place is all decorated up. Cafe and restaurant. Actually got a TP Bank down here as well. And the later it goes into the evening, there's less traffic coming through here. I don't know if they block it off, but there's less cars and stuff. But yeah, you got a place here if you need any clothing, jackets, backpacks, shoes, a bunch of places like that here. Here they got football jerseys and jackets. Be interesting to see what the pricing is here compared to Da Nang. This place says local craft beer. Obviously, there's a lot of booking offices, so if you need to book a tour or something, if you want to do it that way, instead of doing it on your own, you can do that. This is pretty cool, this place here. Cafe and restaurant. It's all decorated for Christmas, but again, another main intersection here. And yeah, if you go down, we went down here last night when we were heading home. This is like a whole shopping street, and then it gets to where the night market is. But yeah, very touristy down here. It's a lot like I guess Khao San Road in a sense in Bangkok, those types of places. It starts out as like pub street and then it gets into shopping and stuff like that. So you need buy some different art. Xin Chao. This place has like so many different t-shirts and football jerseys. Even got basketball shorts. That'd be a good place to do some shopping. And then right next door, you got a place to get some bags, some suitcases. So buy a bunch of stuff there, get a bag, you're set. Got some women's clothing here. Yeah, more of the action is definitely up towards the north bit of the street. We're getting to the end now. Not very long at all. We got some police officers here. But these things are cool too because you can actually get in these and they'll like bike you around. No, it's okay. See, he wants you to go in. This place is pretty popular. A lot of people sitting here eating. And then yeah, that's the end. This is the main road, and then yeah, again, you could like, walk all around here. It's all old quarter, so there's lots to do and see. So really cool spot. It's lively. No, it's okay. Xin chao. Even the police officers like eating here. They're all enjoying it. They're sitting there waiting for their food. So yeah, that's the main kind of pub street here in Hanoi. In the old quarter, a lot of people come hang out, like I said. So yeah, I'll have the location linked in the description below if you do want to come to this area and hang out. Super easy to find. You can get grabs, but if you're staying in old quarter, it's easy to walk around, somewhat easy. It's everything's close. Just watch out for motorbikes, of course, and other people. But yeah, it's relatively easy. So yeah, we're enjoying this area. Again, this is our second time here. We came last night and again tonight just before we go get some other food. And it's a place you're gonna end up loving as well. So comment below if you guys been to this street before. Do you have a favorite spot? Do you have any other recommendations that are close to here for people that want to come check out the street and then go somewhere else that's close? And yeah, if you did like the video, please leave a thumbs up. And of course, if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. God bless, and we'll see you in the next one.